Hello Dr. Afzal, my name is Mohammad Hafis bin Rahim and I am currently interning in the field of accounting. Today, I like to share my experience and insight gained during my internship, where I was primarily responsible for bookkeeping, managing account payables, and handling inventory and conducting stock takes. Let me walk you through my journey, starting with an overview of my role and responsibilities. During my internship, I was tasked with several key responsibilities that are fundamental to the smooth operation of any business. This responsibility can be broken down into four main areas. The first one is bookkeeping of sales. This involves recording daily sales transactions, ensuring accuracy, and updating financial records regularly. Secondly is account payables. I was responsible for managing outgoing payment, ensuring that the company paid its vendor and supplier on time, and maintaining good credit standing. This includes keeping track of stock levels, monitoring inventory usage, and ensuring that stock levels were optimal for business operation. Lastly, about stock take. This involves physically counting and verifying the inventory on hand to ensure that the recorded inventory match the actual stock. Managing daily report sales, stock take, and account payable company is a tough task. This task enhanced my self-management to compile all the data precisely. A vital component of financial management for all business, including petrol station operators, is bookkeeping. Efficient bookkeeping guarantees precise financial documentation, supports tactical planning, and guarantees adherence to legal and regulatory obligation. Because monitoring sales, inventories, and account payables is part of the complex operation of a petrol station company, bookkeeping is very important. The importance of bookkeeping in these three areas is crucial is to examine in which also provide advice on how to preserve accurate and trustworthy financial records. Tracking and recording all revenue from fuel sales, convenience store purchase, and other services is part of a petrol station company sales bookkeeping. Precise sales documentation is crucial for multiple reasons. Since petrol stations frequently handle large number of transactions, it's critical to precisely record every sales. Information such as goods or service sold, payment method, date, and amount of the transaction should all be recorded in bookkeeping system. Financial reporting. It is an income statement, financial reporting, income statement, profit and loss statement, and other financial statement cannot be prepared without comprehensive sales record. This report assists in making well-informed business decision by offering insight into the company financial performance. Tax compliance. For tax compliance or tax filing is need an accurate sales record. Essentially, accurate documentation guarantees that the business can support its revenue projection in audit and avoid penalties. For a petrol station, company inventory management is an essential part of bookkeeping. It entails keeping tabs on the amount and cost of petrol as well as other goods that are for sales. Maintaining accurate inventory record helps the business satisfy consumer demand while cutting down on excess inventory and related expenses. Petrol stations must keep an eye on supply, handle deliveries, and record fuel losses from theft or evaporation. Precise gasoline inventory documentation aids in estimating fuels need and maximizing purchase choice. Level of goods like drinks, snack, and car supplies is part of bookkeeping for stations that have convenience store in it. This aids in controlling inventory turnover and guard against stockouts or overstocking. Account payable bookkeeping for account payables entails of keeping track of and managing the company's debt to creditors and suppliers. This covers the cost of fuel purchase, maintenance services, and other running costs for a petrol station business. Correct recording and timely payment of supplier bills is ensured by accurate account payable bookkeeping. By doing this, late payment penalties are avoided and positive relationships with supplier are preserved. To keep a healthy cash flow, account payable must be managed well. The meticulous planning of expense and prompt payment facilitates the management of cash inflow and outflow. Maintaining accurate sales, inventory, and account payable record is crucial to a petrol station business, smooth running, and financial stability. The business may guarantee efficient financial management, adhere to legal obligations, and make well-informed business decisions by keeping correct record in this area. The accuracy and productivity of bookkeeping procedures can be improved by using best practices and utilizing technology, which will ultimately aid in the success of the business. A stock take, sometimes referred to as an inventory count or a stock audit, is an essential procedure for every retail establishment, including petrol station operators. It entails a true examination and actual accounting of the inventory that company has on hand. This procedure covers more than just standard goods for petrol station. It also covers fuel, lubricant, and other convenience items. The importance of stock take for petrol station business looks at the approaches taken and talk about the advantages and difficulty of this important task. Precise financial reporting depends on accurate stock data. Inventory value has an impact on the cost of goods sold, and in turn, the company profitability. Precise inventory counts guarantee that the financial statement accurately represent inventory value, which is important for stakeholder and legal compliance. Stock takes aids in the identification of differences between reported and actual inventory levels, hence this preventing losses. This procedure can reveal problems like spoiling, theft, or typing error. Early detection of this issue can reduce financial losses and increase the company's overall security. Taking regular stock takes facilitates more efficient inventory management. Entails keeping fuels and convenience stock to the proper level to satisfy consumer demand without going over or under. Effective inventory control reduces holding costs and guarantees efficient business operation. Petrol stations must follow a few laws and industry guidelines. Frequent inventory counts offer, offer a means of guaranteeing adherence to regulatory standards and promoting seamless external audit. Taking stock and cost can cause a disruption in regular business activity, especially if a complete inventory count is required. It will take careful planning and organization to handle this disturbance. Taking stock, particularly by hand count, can require a lot of time and resources. To assure accuracy, it needs professionals who have received training and occasionally use temporary workers. Proof accuracy, it also brings with it potential drawbacks, such as the possibility of system failures or problem integrating data. Maintaining current and dependable technology is essential. Meticulous attention to details is necessary to ensure the accuracy of inventory record. If discrepancy between recorded data and physical count are not immediately resolved, they may result in serious problems. For gas station business, taking stock is an essential procedure that helps to keep correct inventory records, minimize losses, and maximize operational effectiveness. Although there are some problems in the process, the advantages of accurate and frequent stock take greatly exceed these hurdles. Petrol stations may make sure that their inventory management procedures support their entire business goals and foster long-term success by utilizing technology and effective approaches. I have gained practical insight and first-hand expertise in crucial financial operations from my internship in the accounting department, which has been a useful experience for me. With a focus on inventory management, account payables, daily tracking of sales, and stock take, I have created a true grasp of the everyday activity that maintain a business financial stability. I became proficient in inventory management through frequent stock take by learning how to precisely track stock takes level, spot inconsistencies, and comprehend how they affect financial reporting. This experience made clear how crucial it is to have accurate record and how inventory accuracy affect a company's ability to operate. Performing daily accounts payable and sales bookkeeping improve my capacity to effectively handle and reconcile financial transactions. I also improve my ability to accurately record sales, make sure that invoices are sent on time, and keep up-to-date account payables record. My organizational abilities, attention to detail, and capacity for methodical work under pressure have all improved because of this regular exercise. In addition, working with the accounting team gave me the opportunity to watch and take part in the financial statement preparation, internal control implementation, and also account reconciliation. This experience emphasized the value of cooperation, communication, and moral principles in the accounting field, in addition to confirming my theoretical understanding. In general, this internship has made a big difference in my professional development by helping me connect the dots between theoretical knowledge and practical implementation. It has given me more practical skills, a better comprehension of accounting procedures, and a greater grasp of how important proper financial management is to the success of an organization. I'm sure that the skill and information I pick up over this time will be a great starting point for my future accounting work. Thank you for your time, sir. Thank you for your time and attention, sir. Have a nice day.